workloads and requirements. It can be extremely challenging to manage such an environment in a traditional storage environment. However, by implementing storage virtualization, the complexity in storage provisioning is removed from the environment. Features such as storage pools, storage tiering, and virtual provisioning are the key advances in storage technologies that provide this simplification. As I already mentioned that you will learn more about these features in our virtualization module. Now we come to the network virtualization part. So network virtualization involves logically segmenting or grouping physical networks into discrete logical entities called virtual networks and making them behave as single or multiple independent networks. Network virtualization allows multiple virtual networks to share network resources without leaking information among them, and this is a very important feature for network virtualization. A virtual network appears as a physical network to the nodes connected to it. Two nodes connected to a virtual network can communicate among themselves without routing of frames, even if they are in different physical networks.
Thanks, Manideepa. Hi, I am Smita Mave. I belong to EMC XBU Engineering. I am working mainly on cloud and storage related projects. So now that you have understood the underlying concepts of cloud and its characteristics, let's move towards cloud service models. The cloud service model can be classified into three categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Let's visit each of these. Infrastructure as a service provides capability to the consumer to hire the infrastructure components such as storage and network. The entire IT infrastructure resources would be hosted as a cloud environment, and the consumer need not worry about the underlying storage or server or compute. So it enables consumer to deploy and run software including OS and applications. In this service model, the consumer pays for the infrastructure components usage such as storage capacity and CPU usage, etc. And it is up to the consumer to install the required software and host the required applications. Next category is platform as a service. So this provides a capability for the consumer to deploy consumer created or acquired application on the cloud provider's infrastructure. Here also infrastructure is provided by the cloud provider.